Step number 3, now that I've got the funds on SwissBorg, I'm going to be able to exchange any fiat versus any crypto, or any crypto versus any fiat, and any crypto versus any crypto. And that's the beauty of SwissBorg, making things convenient, simple, and getting the best prices as well. So in this case, I, for example, deposit some USDC to my account. And for this, I'm right now about to, with my USDC, buy, for example, some SwissBorg tokens. So I could check out right now SwissBorg token. The great thing I could see is that what are the price, what has been doing. I could be seeing what is SwissBorg in some detail, is it a good time or not. There's a lot of different analysis that could show me. See that right now it's slightly bullish, which is quite good. You see some technical analysis within it. And there's more videos and whatsoever that could be. So in this example here, I'm gonna buy, for example, with USDC that I received, I'll buy, for example, $1,000 a SwissBorg token, and within a fraction of seconds, this is gonna be done instantly, which is great. So how was this done? And that's the beauty about SwissBorg. Essentially, what this shows here in this route is that the 1,000 USDC was converted to euros essentially on Kraken. These euros then were converted into BTC again through Kraken. And finally, these BTC bought some Borg at the best price on Bitfinex. And this really enables you to see all the different routes that has been done that enable you essentially to buy at the best price, but in the most convenient way possible. And that's only possible with SwissBorg.